Fish tank.
Yeah, one of those unicorn fish.
A triggerfish? Or
Yeah,
where?
right there.
Oh. That's cool. I don't know what those are, but they have the names of them. I'm not a fish expert. They got some cool ones over here. It's pretty red. Oh, here comes one. That's a pretty color. Put one of these in the living room. Bye, fishies. Cute. Yeah, they got a lot of cool ones. Let's go over. They were in the Rainforest Cafe. Oh no. No, maybe he's sleeping. I hope not. No, he's breathing. He's good. Yeah. Maybe. We'll just go with that. Ooh, look at the blackfish. They're pretty. It's kind of hard to look at or see.
You'd have to go around the corner.
I don't know if I'm allowed. Oh, come on. Picture. Okay.
It kind of looks like it has puzzle pieces.
Yeah, that's really pretty. We'll just say he's taking a nap. Okay, goodbye.